All right, welcome back. It's October 1st. Fall is officially in swing. Summer's over. And another car meet here in College Station, Texas. Look at the moon's out. So I'm going to walk around here a bit and see what's new. By the way, if you're ever in this area, you want to check out Champion Pizza. Really good style, New York style pizza. I think I saw a couple McLarens on the road on the way here, so this will be a pretty interesting meet. To say that people in College Station don't have income is not accurate. There's a lot of nice cars in town, but yeah, we have the bike community here.
I'll say about it.
Wow, look at this GX470. This is gorgeous. It's the one I saw last Wednesday. It's a Hale WRX. It's a yellow Z06. I know this Z.
Okay, I'll go with you. I've seen one company. Really? Yeah. It's really
Subaru.
But yeah, like I'd have to swap out. It's only gone. I'm about to hit like 90K. I got it at 60K, and I've had the car for like actually October.
There's that 3000 GT with the fangs.
Oh yeah,
The Halloween special. Saturn Sky Turbo. Nice. And some classics here. So it's a mixed bag tonight. We'll walk over here and see what we got over here. Uh-oh. Somebody's selling a Miata for 5K. And it has a manual.
Oh,
Cool.
I didn't either.
And a Nardi steering wheel. There you go.
Oh no, I can't. I'm so sorry. We've been on under.
I mean, like, super stuff.
V8 twin turbo, called bi-turbo. AMG GTS. That's a nice wrap. This looks so cool on film. Did you see what it looks like on film? Look at the color. It just pops.
Wow.
Who wrapped it? Who wrapped it?
Place out in Dripping Springs, where I'm from. So.
Yeah, did a good job. It looks really, really cool.
Wow. I did one full.
Sorry. No, you're good, you're good, you're good.
What I got. Okay, wait. In the roof. And me with. That's
I know we got a couple McLarens here in town. This is one of them, the newer ones. Still got dealer tags on it.
So, if you want to see some crazy cars, there's a 10.
You can push the button on there to cycle through manually without using the remote.
So it's pretty simple. It seems like hang the boots open! Operator, control the truck.
Why? I think on CCs.
Try again.
What's up, man?
This is nice.
Try again.
couple Corvettes here, Z06s, C8s, C7s, Camaros, really nice Camaros. And a Hyundai. All right. Hyundai's making strides nowadays, the N series. If they made an all-wheel drive version, that'd be kind of cool. I know most of these are front-wheel drive. It's still a nice car. They've come a long way. Pretty big meet today, so bigger than last week because the threat of rain, clear skies, moon's out. I'm probably gonna get some pretty good photos tonight. Kind of craving pizza right now. All right, see you in a bit. All right, so it looks like some people are starting to leave early already. I'm gonna take a look at some more vehicles. Like the McLaren's leaving. I love that sound. guess that's pretty much it. I think I might have a photo shoot this Sunday. We'll see if I'm shooting a Mustang or a Kawasaki, an old Ninja. We'll see. More than one bike, possibly. We'll see what I can shoot. But this will be a fun weekend. It's also game day weekend here in College Station. So there's that. All right. We're going to go ahead and pause right here. Maybe close it out. We'll see. Yeah, we're gonna wrap it up here. I'm gonna take off and go home. I'm out, so like and subscribe, and I'll see you later. I'm gonna do the outro with some photos from the shoot. Pretty cool 911 GT3. You'll see it in the outro. I'm out of here.